The fact that I just filmed this entire review, watched back the video, and had lip gloss and lipstick on my teeth. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today is another sneaker unboxing. As you can see from the title, there is another Nike Jordan 1 unboxing for today. Biohacks. So if you're interested in my unboxing and little review of the shoe, my thoughts on it, then you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. So like I said, I got a Nike Air Jordan 1. This is the Air Jordan 1 High OG Biohack. I got it in a size 10. I did get this pair from the Sneakers app on release. It released September 4th. This men's pair retails for $170. After taxes, it was about $185. I did get another pair, which is coming whenever, I don't know when it's coming, I think on Monday, from Bodega. I got a grade school 4.5, which is my size, and the grade school sizes are $130. After taxes, about $141, $142. The shoes are not in the box, but so it looks like when you open it. Shoes are not in there. All right, so here we have this shoe. Very controversial shoe. I'll get to why towards the end, but let's look into it. We have a kind of like turbo green, or yeah, I guess it was like the turbo green toe box, a navy toe panel. Mid panel is black, the Nike swoosh, pretty sure that's leather, but it's in silver. Then in the back we have the brown heel panel and the brown ankle collar, which opens up, show you over here, with very lime green, like very lime green on the inside, and black. We have a neon orange tongue with exposed foam. Oh, my lighting outside. Oh, okay. With exposed foam, neon pink on the inside of the tongue and inside the ankle. It comes with black laces on this shoe, but it does have an extra pair of hot pink laces to match the inside. The tongue, oh, you can't see, it's like aquamarine blue. Hot pink Nike here. Oh, there's hot pink Nike here as well. And the midsole is like a pastel green, a chartreuse is what they call it, which is my favorite color on the entire shoe. And plain black sole, very plain black sole. This shoe is somewhat reflective of the iconic undefeated Dunk in terms of the color blocking. This isn't your traditional Air Jordan 1 because it's all suede. And that's one of the reasons why people don't really like this shoe. Because first, because the colors, I think, mostly, and then second, because of the suede material used all over. Suede doesn't wear very well and it doesn't age very well. Scratches are not nice looking, creases aren't great, and these aren't something you would wear in the rain because they will get messed up. They won't look so good. So that's what's putting a lot of people off. That's what would put me off when it comes to this shoe. Secondly, or I guess one of the main reasons, is the colorway. People aren't a fan of the colors on this shoe, and I get it. This isn't a shoe for someone who's shy, you know, who wants to be low-key in the background. This is definitely a statement piece. I personally like the shoe, which is kind of shocking. I like the shoe. I don't think it's a bad shoe, especially if I were to see it in my size, which is probably like half the size of this shoe. I would like it even more. Again, the material would put me off. But I do like the colors. This is my favorite color in the shoe. And from a side profile, it's not too loud, but definitely from here it's very loud. And from the aerial view, if you're looking down on your shoe, it is very loud. I feel like this with some jeans and a white t-shirt or black t-shirt, black leggings, even some like biker shorts, this would definitely make your outfit pop, make it more of a statement. So I'm not mad at them. I think they are nice and think these are a good piece to have in your collection. These aren't the first Air Jordan 1s I would recommend to someone if they're starting a collection or building a smaller collection. But if you already have a lot of pairs, you want something new, something bold, why not? Why not? I don't think they're that bad. What do you think of this shoe? Let me know. So yeah, let me know if you copped and from where, if you're keeping, selling, holding. Clearly I can't wear these. So these aren't a pair for myself to keep. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 Biohacks. Again, I kind of like them. I do kind of like them. There are a lot of videos out there with a lot of different opinions, or really the same opinion. Like, people don't really like the colorway and it being suede. So if you're interested in the shoe, you're trying to cop yourself, clearly it'll be for resale at this point unless you catch a restock. But I like it, and if you like it, go for it, and that's all that matters. The shoe did sell out pretty quickly, and they are reselling for a decent amount, which is typical for an Air Jordan 1. They're very popular silhouette, always good demand for them. Also, updates on my makeup mystery boxes, Jelly's treasure boxes. There is very few left in stock. I'll link my website down below and the link to directly purchase my mystery boxes down below, and I'll put up here my video revealing the boxes, not revealing what's inside, but revealing the launch and all the details about the box itself. So if you're interested in any makeup mystery boxes, go ahead and check out Jelly's treasure boxes. Very few left in stock, so if you want one, get one now before they are gone. But yeah, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification. Feeling froggy, I post every Thursday and Sunday. My sneaker unboxings or shoe unboxings are usually spontaneous and they go up as soon as I'm able to put them up. So be on the lookout and definitely hit the notification bell to know every time I upload. If you like me and you like this video, share it to one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, and like all my socials down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.